Hello everyone, Alabama is facing a huge challenge. With an estimated 250,000 feral hogs widely distributed throughout the state's 67 counties. In particular, the Lowndes Wildlife Reserve in the center of the state witnesses the densest density of wild boar, causing many difficulties in controlling and protecting the natural environment. In the rural areas around Montgomery and Mobile, farmers face heavy losses every year due to feral hog infestations. Every night, wheat, corn, and even vegetable gardens can be ransacked and torn up. Causing up to $55 million. Faced with a great challenge, hunters are ready to enter the fight against wild boar herds to minimize their impact most effectively. In Alabama, two methods have been chosen to destroy them, using helicopters and bows and arrows. Next, let's learn about the dramatic wild boar hunting journey in Alabama. The leading helicopters for wild boar hunting are mainly the Robinson R-44 and Bell 206. The Robinson R-44 is famous for its versatility and cost-effectiveness, 4-seat design, and Lee Cumming IO 540-inch 6 cylinders. In contrast, the Bell 206 is highly appreciated for its durability and reliability, equipped with a Rolls-Royce 250 C20G turbine engine, enhancing stability and traction, creating a solid foundation for hunting activities, or shot from the air. Accompanying hunters are advanced semi-automatic rifles such as the AR-15 and AK-47, which are prioritized for their ability to shoot quickly and accurately. The use of this weapon is especially effective when targeting fast-running wild pigs from above with a helicopter view. This gun not only helps destroy targets quickly, but is also essential in controlling the rapidly growing number of wild boars, contributing to protecting ecological balance. Helicopter hunts for wild boar often take place over vast plains and sparse dense forest. These hunts are held at dawn or dusk, times when light conditions are most ideal and wild boars become more active. Because of their ability to traverse rugged, remote terrain and water bodies inaccessible to conventional vehicles, helicopters provide an invaluable advantage in tracking wild boars. Helicopters not only save time but also minimize difficulties, providing better opportunities to track and reach targets effectively. However, using helicopters to manage wild boar populations, although showing high potential for efficiency, presents major economic challenges due to high operating costs. These expenses include not only helicopter fuel but also routine maintenance costs, pilot salaries, and other costs related to the use of professional personnel and technical equipment. Special art. The cost of renting a Robinson R-44 helicopter can vary from $300 to $500 per hour, depending on fuel prices. When you add in the cost of hiring experienced pilots and marksmen, the total costs can quickly add up, becoming a burden on daily operations. Along with that, the noise from helicopters not only annoys the target animals, but also affects many other wildlife species in the area. The frequent presence of these aircraft can lead to significant changes in animal behavior, from migration patterns to reproductive activities, which can be temporary or even permanent. In particular, safety is the top priority in hunting wild boar by helicopter. Flying a helicopter at different altitudes and speeds, especially in challenging weather conditions, not only requires the pilot to maintain a safe flight path, but also one that is efficient for the shooter. This requires a delicate combination of seasoned piloting skills and in-depth knowledge of hunting behavior and animal characteristics. This requires a delicate combination of seasoned piloting skills and in-depth knowledge of hunting behavior and animal characteristics. Therefore, close coordination and communication between the pilot and the hunter is essential. Any miscommunication could lead to serious accidents, especially in a context where they are jointly carrying out complex maneuvers and live fire. Therefore, both pilots and hunters need to undergo a particularly thoughtful training program to improve their hunting skills from above. This training course not only equips you with basic knowledge about flying aircraft and safely handling weapons, but also provides many practical exercises to help prepare you for any situation that may arise in a realistic hunting environment. However, the great effectiveness of using helicopters in wild boar tracking campaigns cannot be denied. In Alabama, this method has been successful in significantly controlling the feral pig population. To cut costs and limit risks, hunters in Alabama have found an effective alternative. Bow and arrow, a method proven through practical wild boar hunting activities, has brought remarkable results. First, to ensure success in hunting wild boar using bows and arrows, hunters need to undergo rigorous training, from basic to advanced techniques. Only when they have mastered the skills, have a deep understanding of wild boar behavior, and possess the correct hunting license, can they begin their hunting journey. To start your hunting journey, choosing the right bow and arrow is an important factor for every hunter. Popular bows, such as compound bows or curved bows with a minimum draw strength of 50 pounds, ensure the bow has enough power to penetrate the wild boar's thick hide. Therefore, using specially designed, wide-type arrows will increase the effectiveness of killing wild boars, optimizing hunting ability. It is important for the hunter to thoroughly understand the animal's body structure. The target is mainly the heart or lungs, so the ideal spot to aim is the area just behind the front legs, about a third of the way from the boar's belly. Not only does this increase your chances of success, but it also ensures the hunt is quick and effective. Alabama bow and arrow hunting for feral hogs is often held in dense forests or wetlands where these wild creatures thrive. The terrain here is challenging, including densely vegetated landscapes and rough terrain. Hunters often place high watchtowers or take advantage of large tree stumps to set up hiding places for their prey, helping them hide effectively and have the best vision to overcome natural obstacles below. The outstanding feature of the bow and arrow is its ability to operate quietly because it does not make a noise like a gun, helping to minimize panic for other wild boars in the area. This silence causes them to be less alert and run away, thereby expanding the opportunity for the hunter to make more follow-up shots. This is especially important when hunting in packs or in crowded areas, where any noise can easily attract the attention. Unlike firearms, which are effective from long distances, bows and arrows require the hunter to get closer to the target. This not only requires high accuracy, but also requires skilled archery skills, because the hunter needs to carefully calculate factors such as wind direction, distance to prey, and even unexpected movements. It's anticipation. At the same time, maintaining and drawing the bow consistently, even for long periods, while waiting for the ideal moment to shoot, is also a considerable physical challenge, requiring immense strength and patience. Little clown. Despite facing many challenges when hunting wild boar with bows and arrows, thanks to carefully honed courage and skills, hunters have contributed significantly to controlling and limiting the number of targets in Alabama. What do you think about this unique hunting method of Alabama hunters? We look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video. Please continue to accompany us in the next content. To effectively control the disruptive feral swine population in Alabama, hunters employ a complex strategy. Initially, helicopters were used to quickly and significantly reduce feral pig numbers, followed by regular bow hunting to maintain this control. This approach, combined with public education, policy support, and adaptive management, promises to minimize economic and ecological damage while ensuring a balanced approach to conservation, wildlife, and protect agriculture.